This is 49 Kenduskeag Avenue in Bangor. This is an older building, probably built in the early 1800s. Kenduskeag Avenue is basically a residential street. Right down that way is Husson University, maybe a couple of miles. 49 Kenduskeag doesn't have laundry facilities, but right down over that little hill there's a plaza. There's a laundromat there. There are, 7 units in this building, I believe. We're going to look at unit number B. There is parking here. This is the parking lot. There's also a dumpster for trash. So Unit B is on the second floor. It's a 1-bedroom plus office, we're calling it. We have maintenance here. They've been pressure washing just a few minutes ago. They are going to be repainting part of the building and this little deck and the stairway. So it does look a little bit drab here, but again, this is going to be painted probably later on today and over the next couple of days. So it does have its own private entrance. The tenant has just moved out and it hasn't been cleaned yet. So we do come into the kitchen. The fridge is over here on the right-hand side. And then the stove is over here. It's actually, the cleaner is here today. She's taken it apart so that she can clean. Over here is a closet. Oops. The doorknob has to be fixed. So this would probably be a pantry. And then you walk through into the bathroom. They did keep the clawfoot tub. Those are actually quite popular. But it does have a built-in shower. There's a shower head right there in the middle. Tenant did leave the shower curtain. Of course, you can replace that with whatever you like. Here's a vanity. Medicine cabinet. There's a little set of shelves in the corner. And this does have mostly hardwood floors. They are the original hardwood floors. There's a little corner space in here in the hallway. Also left some built-in cubbies right here. You could store some things in there, possibly linens or something like that, whatever you might have. It does have a shelf on the top. And this would be a bedroom. It does have the old original plaster walls. There's a little bit of staining up here. The roof did leak a couple of years ago, but that's been fixed. The roof has been replaced. There's a couple of windows in here. Also a closet. This is actually a pretty large bedroom. If you had a king-size bed, it would fit in here, no problem. This has steam heat, which is radiator heat. No problem with the heat in the wintertime. It also means that your hot water is included. Here's your thermostat. It does have its own heat control. Here are some built-in shelves. And this is right next to the office. This is actually much smaller than the other bedroom. but it could be used as an office. It does have the coaxial cable hookup. And then at the front of the building is a living room. And this is a really large size. It does have the bow window, extends out, gets a lot of light in here. And this has a closet as well. It's a pretty deep closet. And basically that's the whole unit. Again, one bedroom plus office, or smaller bedroom. Everything's included except electric, heat, hot water, water sewer, snow plowing, lawn care. If you have any questions, you can contact us at rentbangor.com or 207-974-6606.